Hello my brothers, what's up? Today we'll make this animated custom cursor with this hover effect. Let's get started. First we have nav has 4a and we have our cursor. It's empty div and we move to CSS. Always we start with these default properties and we add some dark background to our body and we add the 100 report height in our nav to fill the screen and display flex, align item center, justify content center to center its items, and we add to nav A their font family, color, font size, and some margin right. And we have cursor width and height 14 pixels and rounded by adding 100% border radius, and we use background conic-gradient to add white background just to the part from 37.5% to 15%, as you see in the illustrative image. So we get this shape. It is like a cursor. Here is our cursor. Here's our cursor here, as you see, and we add position absolute because we need to control it with JavaScript. We select our cursor here, and window on mouse move, execute mouse cursor function. We pass a parameter e in our function, and we have mouse x equal e point client x. It returns the horizontal coordinate of the mouse -20, which is the half of our cursor width, and mouse y equal a point client x. It returns vertical coordinate of the mouse -20, which is the half of cursor height. So left of the cursor is mouse x. And top is mouse y, and it works. Now we need to get rid of the default cursor, and here we go, and we add pointer events none to our custom cursor because now our target of pointer events is our custom cursor, but we want the target of pointer events it what we hover on. We have links, and links for each link on mouse enter. Mouse in link function. in this function we add the round cursor class to the cursor. This class do an animation to make our cursor round. Animation rounded, linear, happen in 0.25 second forwards. And here's our keyframe. In this animation we add every time the white background to another part, so we get a hole round in the end. This animation works as you see in this image. And here is our smart animation, and we use mixed blend mode difference to make some contrast, so can show the text under the under our cursor. And now our cursor should return to its original form when get out the link, so we remove the round class as you see here. Great, and hope you enjoy this video, and if you want more videos like this one, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification button.